Hey, what's up, folks? Boss Mick here, Mike here from Gold, and I'm going to talk to you real quick about my personal skincare routine. I'm getting a lot of questions about it, so I'm going to break it down for you. And honestly, it's only 3 things that I use religiously, all right? Everything else I use sometimes or when it needs to be done, but you can catch me doing one of these 3 things religiously, all right? Well, 2 of these 3 things religiously. One's a weekly type of deal, but I digress, all right? We're going to break it down super simple, super chill. If that's something you're interested in, stand by. If it's not, I'll catch you later, all right? Anything you want to say, boss? No? Okay. So we'll get to the very first one, right? The very first thing I always do is I make sure I wash my face with raw African black soap. Can you all see that? Buddy, why are you looking like that? I always wash my face with raw soap, all right? Straight to the hand, straight to the face, every single day, all right? Every single day I wash my face. Now, some people will say that it can dry your face out, and honestly it can, because raw African soap does an amazing job of getting rid of dirt and oils that's on your skin. So if you are not hydrating your skin properly after the shower, you will be ashy, dry, and feel the aftermath. Also, if you have very non-oily skin to start out with, using something like this can take away any of the excess oil that you need to produce, your body may need to produce, in order to keep you hydrated, okay? So, first thing, I always use black soap on my face, right? Actually, Boss also uses black soap on his face as well. He gets the, no, he gets the same thing I use. That's why I said, you dropped it, buddy. Well, that's why his face looks so amazing as well. Now, the second thing, why is he leaning like this? Come on, buddy. The second thing I use after getting out the shower is I use a butter. What I've been using recently is Ayabe, right? I believe I pronounced it right. It's A-A-B-E. Ayabe. Did I say it right? Okay. I use that religiously. It has 24 karat gold on it, and that's what I've been using on my face after I shower to make sure that my skin gets hydrated and locks in any of the moisture that is necessary that's been taken away from the use of the soap. Now, this has oils in it, so my skin gets to absorb some of that oil. You good, buddy? My skin gets to absorb some of that oil while also using the butter to lock in the oil so my face stays nice and hydrated. All right? It's a necessity. It's a big necessity for me. You want to give him the floor? 1 second. Let me put him on the floor. Oh. There you go, buddy. Now you can play with my toys. You good? Love you too, buddy. All right, so where was I? Oh, talking about the butter. So I use the butter, of course, to lock in the oil. That way my face stays nice and hydrated, okay? That's very essential to me. I like it, I love it, and it's a necessity probably for you as well. Now, the last thing I like to... Why are you touching that? He's touching stuff. Why are you touching that? All right, so sorry about that. The last thing I like to use is the Hawthorne facial scrub, right? I keep forgetting you all can't see this because it's so blown out, but I'm gonna pop up a link, a picture here, so you all can see it. The Hawthorne facial scrub is a staple that I've been using since I first conceived it, and what it does is an amazing job of clearing out any embedded dirt, grime, and gunk. All right, 1 second, one more time. All right. I'm going to bring you back, buddy. You're touching too much stuff. All right. So Hawthorne does an amazing job of removing dirt, grime as well. So any of that deep stuff that causes acne, Hawthorne does an amazing job of getting rid of that while also hydrating the skin and locking in moisture, right? Because of the oil content that's inside of it. So I like to use those in combination. Now, the one thing about the Hawthorne is you don't want to use it every single day because it removes dead skin cells. And if you start using it too much, once there's no more dead skin cells, you're going to start getting rid of your top layer of skin if you were too harsh with it, too abrasive. So a scrub like that I use once a week just to make sure you are going to go. You go here now. This is where you stay. So I use a scrub once a week just to make sure I'm getting rid of any dead skin cells, right? That's super important. So to do a quick recap, I wash my face every single day with African black soap, right? Never go with African black soap. Then I use a butter like Ayabe every night to make sure my face is locked in. And I use the Hawthorne facial scrub once a week, if that, to make sure I'm getting rid of any dead skin cells, dirt, and grime that the soap didn't get rid of. Because remember, the soap is just being rubbed on your skin, so it can remove some stuff. But you want to make sure you're going to use, if you've been out feeling dirty and grimy, which a lot of us have, I know I have, a scrub like this will make sure any of that deep dirt gets taken out. That's about it. That is mainly my routine. Yeah, if you got any questions, comments, or concerns about it, let me know. So you will see me once in a while use a face mask. I love using those to help just rejuvenate the skin as well. But these are the 3 ingredients that I use to make sure my skin stays looking presentable on camera. All right. So any questions, like I said, comments, drop them in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions for videos, please drop those in the comments below as well. And subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on those post notifications, hit the little bell icon and all that stuff so you can see the next time we upload a video, because it might be your suggestion. Anything you want to say, boss? Anything you want to touch, buddy? No? Okay. All right. See y'all later. Thank you all for watching. Have a beautiful day.